Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the grilled squid with pineapple jam in Heartopia. So in this call avails a fan, you can cook any new special food, and one of them is this grilled squid with pineapple jam. And to unlock this food, first you just need to unlock the recipe. First just go to your tidal stove and then just tap on it. And then next just choose this original grilled squid with fruit jam recipe. You can get this recipe from the NPC Massimo. You can buy it from him. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need Japanese flying squid that you can fish it at the whale sea. And then after that, you need sea grapes and wakame. And then after that, just replace the fruit jam with the pineapple jam. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking. And just like that, you will successfully unlock this grilled squid with pineapple jam, and the recipe will be added to your collections. Like this, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.